Hi there, let's talk about how to download and install the Power BI. This is where I am on powerbi.microsoft.com, and we have got overview where you can see what is Power BI, why Power BI, different customer success stories, data visuals, and the security. On the second tab we have got the products. These are the different Power BI offerings that we have got. We have Power BI Desktop, we have got Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium Service, Power BI Mobile, Power BI Embedded, and the Power BI Report Server. So you can go to the Power BI Desktop, and this is where it gives you an option to download the free Power BI Desktop application. You can either click on download free. It would automatically start the download to your machine depending on your operating system. In case you want to see different download or language options, you can click on this option and it is going to show you different language options for the download. Also, this is where you can see the details of the download package. So you have got PBI desktop setup x64.exe, which is a 64-bit app, and you have also got PBI desktop setup.exe. Then you can see the system requirements. So it needs you to have a Windows 10 machine or a Windows Server 2012 R2, even Windows 8, 8.1, Server 2016 and Server 2019 are also fine. And you have got the install instructions. So you can simply click on download and select one of these choices that you would want to download. So let's say I select PBI desktop setup x64.exe. We click on next and it starts the download on your machine. Once this file is downloaded, you can double click on this file and go through the installation process of the Power BI. So that's where download is about to complete. And I'll open this exe file that you see. So if I click on this, it will launch the installation of the Power BI desktop application. You can select a language, click on next, and you can see it's preparing to install the Power BI. It will check for the space requirements. You can click on next. Once the installation is finished, you can click on finish and launch the Power BI desktop application. So that's how you can install the Power BI desktop app on your local machine.